In a booming country like ours, we have put our lives on a fast track. It seems rather difficult for us to be responsible than be carefree and casual. But hey, hang on. Shouldn't we ever stop to wonder if we are ready to take charge of what we do?
For starters, we often crib about our corrupt politicians and leaders. But do we ourselves put into action what we say is right? Or is the onus always on someone else? In the next few minutes, we find out if anyone makes an exception to this casual, I don't care attitude.
No, I don't vote. Very frankly, it's a very cumbersome process to go all the way to a voting bank and actually vote. We pretty much think our political system is kind of corrupted.
I mean, the voice is not getting heard.
When was the last time you didn't care to throw that water bottle inside the bin?
I personally always keep it in the back of my mind not to try and litter.
Then where's all this garbage coming from? Someone, somewhere, must be responsible. We often complain about the power shortage in the city, but never ever remember to put the lights and fans off when not in use. Whether it's about flouting traffic rules and jumping that red light, parking cars in no parking areas, or paying more to the auto wallas, we simply don't care. And then there are also issues where we simply don't have time to care. Life, as they say, moves on for all of us. The I don't care attitude has crept deep into us, so much so that we are casual even about our personal health. People smoke profusely, in spite of knowing what a cigarette can do to their lungs. And that's not all. What about the rising unplanned pregnancies in teenage?
Yes, I did have sex a couple of times. Students, if they do not use condoms in spite of knowing their usage, basically it's because of pleasure. Because they feel that if, a rubber attached to their thing will give them less pleasure. And yes, the safety bit is, in that, flurry of a moment, in that particular moment, people might miss out on the safety measures. Well, people, they breed ignorance. They want to remain ignorant in spite of knowing facts. Somewhere or the other, this attitude is always there amongst you. Chalta hai.
Perhaps the era of half measures, of delays and procrastination is long gone. What now awaits us is a period of consequences. Who exactly is capable of making a difference? Is it me? Is it you? Or every individual who wants to see a proactive India in a real sense of the word? The day these questions are answered well shall be a day of change, and God forbid if they are not. Every one of us may well end up saying, "Whoa!"